in a vale lush and green, in Moravia's heart, where the skies were pristine, lived a kind girl named Anka, with eyes full of dreams, by the side of a river with sparkling blue streams. Her laughter was music, her words were like balm. In her village of Brno she brought such great calm. But life wasn't easy for dear Anka dear, for her family was poor and their future unclear. One day out of nowhere, a horse golden bright appeared in her garden, an astonishing sight. With a mane made of sunlight and eyes gentle and wise, it seemed as if the heavens had sent a surprise. "My name is Zlatka," the golden horse said. "You've a good heart, and for that you'll be led. Come climb on that back, let's ride through the sky, to a land filled with wonders, where dreams never die." Up, up through the clouds, they soared high and far, beyond mountains' sharp peaks, past the evening's first star. They landed in a kingdom that's hidden from sight, where compassion and wisdom shine ever so bright. And there stood a ruler, a king wise and old, who'd lost all his cheer since his queen heart had turned cold. "My dear Anka," he started, with hope in his eyes, "can you warm her cold heart, help love rise to the skies?" With Zlatka beside her, Anka sang a sweet song of kindness and laughter she'd known her life long. The queen's heart, once frozen, began to unthaw, and she wept tears of joy at the love that she saw. The kingdom rejoiced, filled with love and delight, flourishing once more neath the soft starlight. Anka and Zlatka bid the kingdom farewell, then returned to Moravia, where peace seemed to dwell. So remember this tale, whispered on the winds. Kindness conquers all, and through love one ascends. In Moravian fields where golden horses may tread, Anka's spirit lives on in every kind thread.